This video is a complete beginner tutorial on how to use the Jotform mobile app. To get started, install the Jotform app on your device. It's available for both iPhone and Android. Once the installation is complete, tap the app icon to open it. When the app opens, it will show an introduction screen. You can skip this by tapping the skip button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Next, the app will ask you to create an account. Tap on Create Free Account. You'll see different options. You can create an account using Google, Facebook, Microsoft, or by entering an email address. If you already have an account, just tap on Login, enter your email and password, and tap on Login to proceed. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. If this is your first time using the app, your dashboard will be empty. This screen is where all your forms will appear. To access additional options, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner to open the main menu. You can also tap on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner to view your current account plan. Tapping on View All will show all the features available under your current plan. You can also see premium plans from here, or tap Edit Profile if you wish to update your name, email, or password. To create a form, return to the home page and tap on the Create Form button. The app will present 4 different options: Choose Template, Start from Scratch, Import Form, and Copilot. Let's go through each one. First, tap on Choose Template. This is a convenient way to build forms quickly. Jotform has over 10,000 templates available. You can search for anything. For example, type zoo survey, and you'll see multiple templates appear related to that keyword. Tap on any template, then tap on Choose Template to begin editing it. Scroll down to view the form's fields. If you want to remove any field, tap on it, then tap the trash bin icon. To make changes to a field, tap it, then tap the gear icon to view its settings on the right. To add new elements, tap on the plus icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You can add different types of fields depending on what data you want to collect. You can also tap the paintbrush icon at the bottom right-hand side to customize your form's appearance. From here, you can change the color scheme, and once selected, you'll see the update immediately. You can also switch tabs to change the form's theme or background image. Once your form is ready, tap Publish at the top right-hand side of your screen. You can preview the form to see how it will look to users. You can also tap Quick Share, copy the link from here, open it in any browser, or send it to someone. Close this view by tapping the cross icon in the upper corner. To create another form, tap the plus icon again. Now select the second option, Start from Scratch. You'll be prompted to choose between 2 layouts, Classic or Card. In the Classic layout, all the questions appear on one page. In the Card layout, each question appears one by one, creating a clean and user-friendly experience. Select your preferred layout and tap on Create Form. Since you are starting from scratch, the form will be empty. Tap the plus icon at the bottom left to add your first question, like full name. It will be added as a question on the first page. If you're using the card layout, each new question you add will automatically be placed on a separate page. Continue adding questions in the same way to build your form. Now close this and tap the plus icon again to try the third option, Import Form. You'll be given 2 choices. You can clone one of your existing forms, or you can import a form from a web page. For example, if you find any Jotform form online that you like, just copy its URL, paste it here, and the app will recreate that form for you. Lastly, try the Copilot feature, the most advanced option. Tap on it and describe in short text what kind of form you want. Tap Create Form, and the AI will automatically generate a full form for you based on your description. After a few seconds, you'll see your complete form ready to edit or publish. Once a form is published, you can tap Quick Share, copy the link, and open it in any browser to see how it looks. For example, as a user, if you fill out the form, you'll be taken to a thank you page once you finish. Now go back to the Jotform app. On the main screen under your form name, you'll see the number of submissions. Tap on your form, then tap Submissions, and you'll be able to review what answers each user submitted. This is how you use the Jotform mobile app, from account setup to creating, sharing, and managing forms.